One. Thanks for the guest. Hello. Hi, Priya.
Hi, good evening.
Great evening. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് audibility, visibility is all good?
Yes, it's good.
Okay, perfect. Now, something very common between us is നമ്മൾ രണ്ടുപേരും പല്ല് കാണിച്ച് ഇങ്ങനെ ചിരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. All right, so there we go, Priya. Great evening, everyone. Welcome to the 71st episode of Beautiful Minds with me, Kirti. It's a live chat show with unsung heroines around the world. And today with me, I have got Priya Shitas. പ്രിയനെ ഞാൻ നോട്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന്റെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു വേർഡ് സംതിങ് വിച്ച് ഐ വാസ് സോ ഫാസിനേറ്റഡ് അബൌട്ട് മിസ്റ്റിക് കോച്ച്. ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ആ ഒരു പേരിൽ തന്നെ വളരെ എനിക്കൊരു അട്രാക്ഷൻ തോന്നിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. ഷീ ഈസ് എ ബോക്സർ, ഷീ ഈസ് ദി ഫൗണ്ടർ ഓഫ് ട്രെയിനിങ് ഫോർ യു ആൻഡ് ഷീ ഈസ് ഓൾസോ എ മെന്റർ. അപ്പൊ പ്രിയയെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ കേൾക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. സോ ഓൺ ടു യു, പ്രിയ. ഹൗ ആർ യു?
Yeah, I'm doing great. But I think Saturday evening is the day when I enjoy. I take a break. But I thought, okay, since it's about beautiful mind, why not I share my holiday day with you? I'm actually very tired. It was a hectic week for me. Yes.
Yeah. But still, it is so happy to hear from you. 1 second. Itra hectic aayittu polum you actually decided to join us and to share your story. That is again, thank you so much for joining here. We usually thank the guests by the end of the episode, but I thought I'll just start in the beginning itself. So Priya, on to you. Priya, where are you from? ഇങ്ങനത്തെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് I think most of the people would love to know about you. Like, Priya, where are you really from, and how did you actually come into the profession of trainer, training, mentoring, mystic എന്നുള്ള വാക്ക് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ something which fascinated me and I think everyone would love to know about it.
Actually, it is too many questions at a time. So
Yeah.
let me start with the first question. Where am I from? That is one question I'm searching still, like from where did I come? But if you ask place-wise, I come from a beautiful village called Mahi. And right now
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting in Panambali Nagar in Cochin. And
Okay.
I firmly am a traveler who feel I
Uh-huh.
belong to Earth. So when people ask me where I'm from, I take some time to answer that question. So if you ask where I was born and where my native is, it is Mahi. It is
Okay.
geographically in Kerala, but it was a union territory under the French government. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
first
Yeah.
question. What was your second question all about?
It's all about you itself, Priya. It is just on to you. You can start your journey. From where did you start?
I'm still starting, so I don't know from where I started. But specifically, if you ask me, I come from an enterprising family, and
Mm-hmm.
that drilled me the sensitivity that you have lots to learn outside the school than inside the school. So throughout my
Mm-hmm.
school, I was a backbencher, and
Mm-hmm.
of course, I came in the first five ranks. But I
Uh-huh.
understood there's much more to the beauty of life than the syllabus that you have. But to be very honest with you, during those times, training, that word was not there. And I didn't know how to communicate what I felt about life and work. But I think by the time I reached college, luckily the word training came to this world and I could fit into that. And
Mm-hmm.
the whole turning point of my life came when I met Dr. Prasad Sundarajan, who
Mm-hmm.
exposed me in a very scientific manner to what training is all about. And that is
Mm-hmm.
how I'm coming to training. And today I have 18 years of exposure to training and development. Of 18 years, 12 years I was in Bangalore. I was working with some of the world best companies like Outsource Partners International, KPMG. So right
Mm-hmm.
now, if you ask me, I am running my own company with Naushat Nilgiris. He's my
Uh-huh.
business partner, and together we run the institute called Training for You. We have a
Mm-hmm.
vision to run one of the best institute to train you to live your life and work completely beautifully. And we are looking at the world coming to India to learn this concept. We are very
Uh-huh.
passionate and focused about our vision, mission, and values. And I don't compromise on my values. My personal values are my company values too. And that's about me on the professional side. On the personal side, I simply love life and I love people. And I just love living moments of life. Yes.
Beautiful. Priya, something which actually fascinates me here again in your profile is where does this training and boxing come together? Because I was a bit surprised when we have training, when you have communication, you have other things happening, but boxing, how did that come into your profession or like into your likes?
You want a honest answer or you want a fabricated answer?
Honest answer.
Okay. Actually, with certain life incidents I had, I understood sometimes training can be answered by only boxing some people. They might not understand when you talk. So I started learning boxing because I really wanted to smash somebody. But only when I learned it, I realized it is one sort of a beautiful. I learned Kalaripaita also, but in boxing, I found that actually you get strength from your uterus area. I thought it was
Mm-hmm.
the hand that was strong, and that fascinated me. I work on the human energies a lot, so that
Mm-hmm.
fascinated and inspired me. And I think I would definitely go deep into it. And anytime when required, I have the full confidence, but I don't have the strength, which I'm still working on, to smash somebody. And I think they would learn some lessons straight directly. Yeah, that's the reason I'm learning boxing.
I love the way you said that, that I wanted to smash somebody. Like നമ്മള് പറയില്ലേ മുഖത്ത് നോക്കി ഒന്ന് കൊടുക്കണം എന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോ if when you don't have that in your hand, it's always good to get the energy and അതെല്ലാം പഠിച്ചിട്ട് you just need to go and bang some person. So that again is so good, yeah. And I like
Yes.
the word you said right now. Do you want a real honest answer or the fabricated one? Because I think people nowadays actually come up with fabricated dialogues and sentences where you're being so honest. And I think that is the most beautiful thing about you, I guess. So yeah. And moving on with training for you, ഞാൻ പലപ്പോഴും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഞാൻ ആഴ്ചയിലും കണ്ടിരുന്നത് the concept behind training for you is not only about training and learning and development. There is something else, some other mission that you have in your mind. Would you like to just share that as well?
Who told you that?
I have just heard about that. You are just trying to get the women out to come forward and work for their learning and development so that they can actually go ahead and do something. And in that case, you are just not looking only for the money part of it, because corporate and other thing, your professional thing is just something out, and this is a bit something very something which you're really fond of, if I'm right.
Yeah, you're partially right. What I actually sincerely wanted at a young age is to do something for the universe. But
Mm-hmm.
with my 45 years in this universe, I think I would be fake if I told money I don't want. I really want a lot of money because to run an organization, you want that. And that is one
Right.
exact reason I partnered with a person who knows to manage that.
Mm-hmm.
So, 18 years back, I told that I don't want money. I want to give something for the world. But today, even if you need to smash somebody, you need money. So, I know finance management is very important. And the women, yes, I love training women because being a woman, I really know, being honest, how much I've struggled to retain my identity. Today,
Mm-hmm.
people actually give me respect, not just because I have earned something, it's also because I've fought my way out. So
Mm-hmm.
I really believe the future of a child, sincerely, is a very magnificent role of a mother because
Mm-hmm.
she gives birth to the child. So the child is born much more inside her womb before the child comes out. And it's a critical period that a mother has to prepare her body, mind, and spirit before she even has a sexual relation with a man, and even the man vice versa. So,
Mm-hmm.
learning this from a lot of reading, and I genuinely wanted to give a wonderful human being to the world. So, I really researched on all this pretty long before I got married, and that's how I sincerely felt women should be not just women, I won't say women, but since she carries a child in the womb, both of them has equal rights because once you bring child to this world, you are responsible for their growth, at least till they are 18 or 21. And
Right.
character is the base. Today I was talking to one of the most famous company uh,
Mm-hmm.
in uh, in sports. I was
Mm-hmm.
talking to them that in this century, character is the base. Like if you don't
Right.
have a real good character, your growth will actually break after some time. If you want a
Mhm.
sustained growth and joy in the process of achievement, that is, you should enjoy the journey. In the process
Right.
of reaching somewhere, you really need strong character. And who better than a woman can do that? Because I felt a woman is graciously blessed for that, but I also find a man is powerful to support her on that. Yeah.
I just love the things which you're saying, Priya, because you know what I always keep on saying every women I meet that women are actually designed as multitaskers. They have been sent here to do a lot of things around. We do a lot of things
Mhm.
around, and we make a lot of people around us really good and in every way. So whatever
Mhm.
words you say about women, no, I feel so happy, and I feel always proud to be called as a woman. To be very honest on that. So that is again
Okay.
wonderful to hear from you, Priya. What are actually future plans, Priya? Adme kuda there's one word which, as I said in the beginning, that something which was fascinating me was mystic coach. I think if you can just put some light on that also, like what exactly is mystic coach? നമ്മൾ പലതും കേൾക്കുന്നത് life coach, soft skill, അങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഓരോന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നത്. What exactly is a mystic coach? Would you just give us a small idea about that?
Yeah, I have this crazy idea of all my birthdays. I go to mountains and
Uh-huh.
I spend a beautiful time there. And I just cut off from the rest of the world because most of my days are very hectic. So I just love to maintain silence and be there. And I will just look at how I've lived the year and I'll come up with crazy 3 to 4 things that I want to do for the year. So, like that, when I went one year, the
Mm-hmm.
word mystic was rhyming in my ears. My mentor used to talk most about mystic, and I used to hear this word. And the meaning of mystic is somebody who comprehends reality. So I
Mm-hmm.
thought, yeah, that sounds so beautiful. And I love reality more than fantasy. And I am a genuine coach. I always look at what I feel about it 100%. So I just started calling myself Mystic Coach. And the moment I came back, I told my mentor this first. He told me, Priya, in this world, no woman has called her Mystic Coach. You will have a lot of newspapers, people strike at you. I said, it's okay. I said any human being has the freedom to call them what they want unless and until they are clear about what they call themselves. And I said the kind of work I do, it would for me it is simple, beautiful, and magical. So with 100% clarity, I call myself the mystic coach. But quite surprising. I think when you are very true and your intention is genuine, the world just follows you. So nowadays, people call me more as a mystic coach than as Priya Shivadas. Yeah.
I think that is one of the most beautiful word which you would have loved to hear, and you would still love to hear again and again. I think that is something which is
No,
actually your personality, I would say.
that is not a word that I love. I just named it like that because I just felt it. I think the best name I love is my name. I really love my name a lot, more than everything.
Great, super. Priya, just last one more thing I would really love to know about, like training for you. Is a company there in Cochin? So, what are the no? What is something about training for you? Would you would like to share with everyone, like the courses, or what are future plans of training for you? You said it's been quite a long time, so would you like to just share that as well along with us?
Training for you is a concept that came in my mind, I think, quite years, 12 years back. I was working
Mm-hmm.
for some of the leading companies of the world as learning and development manager. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
not a trainer or a mentor. I'm an individual and organization development consultant. So if you
Mm-hmm.
think I'm a motivator, I can motivate, but I believe in inspiring you to be a better individual and you add on more value to the work and life and lead your life well. So I have added on skills in handwriting analysis, signature analysis, mind reading, and I have
Mm-hmm.
some unique courses which rarely you will find even in Google, but which is spreading like fire in Cochin. I'm doing something called
Mm-hmm.
Nine Mental Traps. I'm going to come up
Mm-hmm.
with a new module called Master Thief, the ultimate solution for leadership. Rest of the thing, I think I have almost 250 ready-made modules. I am on the process of developing some of the best trainers and definitely an institute for personality grooming level 1, 2, 3. These are some core mind setting. These are some courses that would make an individual focus on his core areas of his character and skills, and his life would have a 360-degree change once he comes and joins us. And that is something I've done 100%, 18 years. So if you ask me what my future plan is, I always live better than yesterday. So my company will also be like that.
Wonderful. Priya, usually, when I actually get into the winding up of the episode, I ask a very usual or a cliche question to everyone, like, what is the message from your side? I think from your every word or sentence what you're saying, there is a lot of messages which coming out, but still, as it is a routine or a tradition, I would call to ask, like, my guest, what would be the message from your side before we wind up to whoever is watching out the show right now, or later someone who will be watching this? What would you love to actually share from your experience? Like, just have something in your life.
You want me to give a message to the people who are here?
Yeah, to
Yeah,
hear or
okay.
someone who will be watching it out later.
Okay, the message I have to you is anyway, you will die one day. That is sure. Then why die every day? Live every moment of your life. And whatever you're scared of most, just go ahead and do it. And just die once. That is my message. Smile, love life, you are alive. That is my steady message to the world. And that's what I practice. Yes.
I love the way you started. We will die one day. So I was like, okay, now I was asking for a message, but what is actually happening? But then you brought it in a very beautiful way, and the humor was so good. Priya, it was wonderful knowing you. Though it was just few chats which we had, but I think there was some connection which we had between each other that I was finding so comfortable to talk to you. And as I said when we spoke once, also I just told you you have got a very positive smile, and I would say this is something which is spreading out here and there and around whoever you are with. So wish you all the very best, and for training for you also, let all the projects that you're working on, all the upcoming things, every single thing just go on as per you wish to. And one thing which you said today, I'm in a good thing and tomorrow I'll be in a better way, same way, let every single thing go on with you. Thank you so much for joining here and just sharing your story with us, Priya.
It's not thank you that I want to tell you. I want to tell you all the best. You're doing such a beautiful work. I generally won't compromise my Saturday and Sundays, but that topic, beautiful minds, and the way you wanted to pick out simple people, I think you're doing a real beautiful project as a human being. I won't degrade you by telling women because you're much beyond that. And it
Thank
was a
you.
blessing to be with you. Thank you so much. All the best to you. And definitely we'll connect for future projects because we are in the same industry. And to all who are
Definitely.
here with you, all the best and love you all.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Priya. And to the audience out there, thank you so much for joining here for this yet another Saturday with a new person with us. So as I always say, അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ കാണും. We'll have a wonderful woman again to share her story with us. So right now, this time, we only have few things to say that keep smiling and just stay safe at home. So thank you so much once again. And Priya, thank you once again. And you have a great Sunday ahead.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.